Hi, I'm Amber Mack. Google Home is a line of smart speakers from Google. They come in a variety of sizes, including the Google Home Mini. It's like having a personal assistant in your house that makes it easy using your voice to do things such as manage your calendar, set reminders, manage your smart home products, and lots more. In this video, I want to show you how to have some family fun with Google Home. If you're spending time with your family and you want a fun game to play, you can play trivia using Google Home. Here's how it works. Okay, Google, play trivia.
Game show time. Okay. I'm going to psych myself up now. Stay calm. Sorry, not you. I'm talking to myself.
I also just discovered that you can play musical chairs using Google Home. So if you have kids at home or kids coming to visit, this is a really fun activity. All you have to do is say, okay, Google, play musical chairs.
Okay, let's play musical chairs. If you've got the chairs, I've got the music.
If you're looking for an easy way to help the kids in the home relax, you can also get Google Home to tell you a story. Okay, Google, tell me a story.
Sure, here's one from Storynori on Google Play Books. It's called The Cat's Elopement.
The Cat's Elopement.
Google Home is also famous for her very corny jokes. Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
What kind of horses only come out after dark? Nightmares.
She also has some pretty witty lines. Okay, Google, I love you.
I can't believe this moment finally came. You should know I think you're the best.
And she even has something called Best Dad Jokes. Okay, Google, tell us some best dad jokes.
Since I'm not a dad, any joke I tell you will simply be a joke. How did the hipster burn his mouth? He sipped his coffee before it was cool.
So there's lots of pretty corny jokes just like that, and that can go on forever and be hours of amusement for the whole family.